this is gonna be a quick video on JavaScript methods. So we are gonna be working on this console right here. This is the console I have opened in the browser. These are the elements part, and this is the console part where you can write JavaScript. So what are JavaScript methods? Methods are nothing but simple functions that we call by their name. We just need to call them, but inside those there could be tens and hundreds of lines that we don't need to write, and we can simply use them. For example, for now the first method that we're gonna see is the clear method. Clear method is actually used to clear all the things on this console here right now. So like for example, if I write some lines here like 2 plus 2, it gives me 4, and if I write something like 2 cross 2, it gives me 4, and if I write var name equals Biraj over, and if I write name here, you can see it gives me the name as Biraj. So now I want to clear all these lines here, so I can simply call a method which is clear and put these brackets after that. As you know, the method is a function, and we need to write the brackets. So if I type clear, you can see everything is cleared. So we did not have to write much of the code to clear all these things. We just needed to call a method, and it does the work for us. So this is an example of one of the JavaScript methods. The other JavaScript method that we are going to do is alert. So alert is nothing but it just prompts up a window for you to display some information. Like if you want to display some information to a user, you can simply write alert hi there, and if you close this and enter this, you can see a box appearing here. So this is the alert method that is used in JavaScript to display some information or some notification to the user on some action. Remember, I'm writing these codes in the console here to show a live demo. You can also use these codes in your code files where you write JavaScript. Okay, so press OK. The other method that we are gonna see is prompt. Prompt is actually just like alert, but it is used to collect some information. It is usually used to collect some information. Like if I write prompt what is your name, and this is prompt here, enter this, and you can see this dialog box again appearing, and it is asking me what is my name. So if I write my name here, press OK, so you can see my name is displayed here. Now I cannot access this name again because I have not stored this in any variable. So let's do that. I'll write variable name is equals to prompt what is your name. If I press enter, then again I write my name here. Okay, and now if I type here name, which I have defined here, so if I type this here and press enter, you can see my name now appearing here, because now it has been stored in a variable, and any number of times I write name, it will display my name here. So this is the use of the prompt method. And the third method that we are gonna see is the console.log method. It is nothing but just like a print statement that helps to print some data. Like if I write here console.log, and inside the brackets I give this a string that I want to display. So I'll write here hello there people, and see, you can see now it is displayed here. Let's clear all these things now. As you know, we have stored our name in the name variable. So if I write console.log name, that is the variable name, and if I press enter, you can see my name is displayed here. So this was the console.log method. So these are some of the methods that we are going to be using in our projects that we will make, and these are quite handy and quite useful. Also, one thing that console.log is does not display any data in the browser. It is just for the developer who want to display some data. So in the console, it is for his help. So okay, so these are all the methods. In the next video we are going to see some more projects and other things. I have also made one project right here in my previous video, which is the background color change app. So if I click onto this button, the background changes. This is purely made of JavaScript. So if you want to see how you can make this, you can view my video right here. You can see the link, so you can see it from here and practice according to yourself. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this, and also give a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.